Hello, guys. Greetings to everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Understanding Mathematics with Pride. I am Damason Pride Fune, a mathematics teacher. I am here to facilitate the learning and understanding of mathematics to everyone. So, before I continue, I will start by pleading to everyone watching this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to like this video after watching. So, today we are going to start with topic 0, denoted as T subscript 0. You can say it in bracket, which is introduction. So our main focus of today is what is mathematics. You can say it with a star beside. What is mathematics? So let's take note of the following. The first hyphen by the margin, the word mathematics. I will underline the word mathematics using a red pen because it is important. Originates, that is where it comes from. Originates from the Greek word. Originates from the Greek word. Originates from the Greek word mathema. I will write it down using a red pen because it is very, very important. So anything I write with a red pen, you take note of it. Originates from the Greek word mathema, which means that which is learned. That which is learned. So that's the meaning of mathema in English. That which is learned. So next we move now to the second hyphen by the margin. The word maths, M-A-T-H-S. Most often, students used to think maths is something else from mathematics. The word maths is an abbreviation of mathematics. That means it is a short form of writing mathematics. You will see that it is less time consuming and less stressful writing maths than writing mathematics in full. So that is semicolon. Maths is equal to mathematics. It simply means maths and mathematics, they represent the same thing. Math is equal to mathematics. So next, let's go to the third hyphen. Let's talk about a person who is specialized in the studies of mathematics. A person who is specialized, that means someone who is focused solely on the studies of mathematics. A person who is specialized in the studies of maths. I'll make use of maths now since it is a short form of mathematics. A person who is specialized in the studies of maths is called a mathematician. Called a mathematician. person who is specialized in the studies of maths is called a mathematician. Please, you guys will excuse me with my handwriting, eh? With time, I will improve on that. It's called a mathematician. You are a mathematician. So next, let's go to the fourth hyphen, which carries our question of the day. What is mathematics? So that's our main question. What is mathematics? Most often at times, it is very easy to find people who study mathematics at higher levels who cannot give a clear or an exact definition of mathematics. Most often when we hear the word mathematics, we think of numbers, we think of formulae, we think of shapes, we think of equations. All these words are not too far from the exact definition of mathematics. So now, what is mathematics? Let's give a true definition of mathematics. It is a branch of science. So take note, math is a branch of science. Most often students are surprised when they hear that mathematics is a science subject. It is a branch of science that deals with the studying of numbers. You can see numbers coming in. That deals with the studying of numbers. You can see numbers coming in. Shapes. You can see shapes coming in. The word shapes. Structures. You can see the word structures coming in. Come on. Quantitative changes. Quantitative changes. And the relationships between them. And the relationships between them. And the relationships between them. So next, I'll use my red pen to underline the keywords of the definition of mathematics. The words you must not leave out when giving the definition of mathematics. So firstly, I will underline the studying of numbers. When we talk of studying of numbers, that means counting and operations on numbers. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Then next, I'll underline shapes. When we talk of shapes, we are simply referring to the appearance of an object. Next, I'll underline structures. When we talk of structures, we are simply referring to the role of organization of an object. Then next, I'll underline quantitative changes. When we hear quantitative, you already think of quantity. Then changes, whether it is increasing or decreasing. So when we talk of quantitative changes, we are simply referring to the measurements of a quantity. Then next, I'll underline the relationships between them. When we talk of the relationships between them, we are simply referring to a well-established formula. So that's the definition of mathematics. So next, I will proceed to write down an acronym for maths. MATHS. So to each letter of the word maths, I will associate a particular word. So firstly, for the letter M, I will associate making. To the letter A, I will associate all. To the letter T, I will associate 2. To the letter H, I will associate half. And to the letter S, I will associate something. In bracket, result. Now, reading the words from left to right gives us making or to have something. Making or to have something. The something we are referring to is a good result. So, in mathematics, when we are given a problem, we need to make use of the best method by following the steps carefully and patiently to obtain a correct answer. Please leave a good number of questions for me, like the video, subscribe, and watch out for our second video, which is on branches of mathematics. Thank you.